This morning, our group would like to compare the energy consumption in Brazil, Chile, and China. We are going to present the difference and similarities among these three countries. The focus of our presentation will be coal, hydroelectric, and renewable energy resource. So it's over to Natalia to outline the coal consumption.
Thank you, Suzan. According to the data presented, China leads the three countries in terms of coal consumption. It's with 69%, whereas in Chile, coal and hydroelectric are equally used, since here at 31%, and both represent the main source of energy in that country. In contrast, Brazil identifies coal use as a minor source of energy at only 5%. Okay, well it's for coal. Now John will talk to you about hydroelectric power.
Okay, thanks Natalia. Now that the coal comparison is done, I'm going to discuss hydroelectric power. As can be seen from the graph, the consumption of this energy is responsible for 31% in Chile and 35% in Brazil, being the second most used resource for energy in both countries. However, even though hydroelectric in China is the third most used resource of energy, it's responsible for just 6%. Well, that's it for hydroelectric. Now Lloyd will talk about renewable energy.
Okay, thank you to John, who has discussed the consumption of hydroelectric in Brazil, Chile, and China. Now I'm going to talk about the renewable resources in these three countries. Generally, the renewable energy resources is not used effectively in these three countries. As you can see in Chile, the wind power is this small blue areas, and
that will be too noisy for the. Sorry.
And the biomass, just this black line, is only 2.5% ranked last. And in Brazil, this area, the other renewables is about 4%, just higher than nuclear. Similarly in China, this one are the renewables. Okay. So it seems that the renewable energy can be a potential energy resources in the future due to the situation that it is underdeveloped right now. That's the end of my part. Then I'll invite Suzan to conclude.
So to conclude, we show the distinctions and similarities of these three countries, particularly in three sources of energy, namely coal, hydroelectric, and renewable energy. In addition, we found that industrial use of energy is the highest proportion across these countries. So that brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.